To create a Cash App in Nigeria, you need to start by understanding the local financial regulations and laws that govern mobile payment systems. The Central Bank of Nigeria is the primary regulatory body that oversees all financial transactions in the country, so it is essential to familiarize yourself with their guidelines and requirements. First, you need to develop a unique value proposition for your Cash App, identifying the specific needs of your target audience and how your app will meet those needs. This could include features such as person-to-person payments, bill payments, or airtime purchases. You should also conduct market research to understand the competitive landscape and identify areas for differentiation. Next, you need to assemble a team of experienced professionals, including software developers, designers, and finance experts. This team will be responsible for designing and building your Cash App, ensuring that it is user-friendly, secure, and compliant with regulatory requirements. You will also need to partner with local banks and financial institutions to facilitate transactions and ensure that your app is integrated with the Nigerian banking system. This will involve obtaining the necessary licenses and approvals from the Central Bank of Nigeria and other regulatory bodies. In terms of technology, you will need to choose a suitable programming language and development framework for your app. Popular options include Java, Python, and React Native, which offer a range of tools and libraries for building mobile payment systems. To ensure the security and integrity of your app, you should implement robust security measures, such as encryption, two-factor authentication, and regular software updates. You should also have a clear privacy policy in place, outlining how you will collect, store, and use customer data. Once your app is built and tested, you can launch it in the Nigerian market, using a range of marketing channels to promote your brand and attract users. This could include social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and targeted promotions. Finally, you should continuously monitor and evaluate your app's performance, gathering feedback from users and making improvements to the user experience. This will help you to build a loyal customer base and establish your Cash App as a leading player in the Nigerian mobile payment market. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful Cash App in Nigeria that meets the needs of local consumers and businesses, while also complying with regulatory requirements and ensuring the security and integrity of transactions.